Hello and welcome to day 12 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we're doing Pilates for legs, 15 minutes. Let's get started. So we're gonna start in a seated position. Extend your legs forward. You can shake them a little bit. And now bend your left knee in. Support yourself with your hands behind you and leg raises. Up and down. Keep the legs straight, toes pointing up to the sky or the ceiling. And lift the leg up and down, up and down. We're going to be doing 10 reps now, each leg. And now we're going to switch the other leg. Same thing, toes pointing up and lift and lower, lift and lower. Switch legs again. Now lift and then open to the side. Lift and open to the side. Toes still pointing up. Still doing 10 reps each exercise. And switch legs. Same thing. Nicely done. Okay, we're gonna switch legs again. Point your toes and now draw circles, small circles. We're gonna be doing 10 each way. And reverse. And switch legs again. And reverse the other way. Okay, switch legs again. Shake them a little bit actually first. Now toes out, so the inner thigh is doing the lift, opposite arm in the air, and lift the leg and meet with the arm. Make sure heel leads here, so toes are to the side, not pointing up, pointing to the side. 10 reps doing the lifts with the inner thighs. And switch. Off we go. Nicely done. Okay, diamond shape with your legs. We're gonna keep this position of the legs and lift the leg up and down, up and down, up and down, up, down, up, down. And now switching the leg, the other one. And rest. Nicely done. Extend your legs, shake them a little bit, and now we're gonna be doing pointing and flexing. Pointing, flexing, pointing, flexing, pointing, flexing. Engaging the calf muscles, quads as well here. Try to keep your legs straight. Point and flex, point and flex. And shake your legs. Nicely done. Okay, moving to the next exercise. So we're gonna be on our knees. We're gonna be doing the lean back. So on your knees, make sure your body is straight, core is engaged. Take your pelvis in, and from here we're gonna just lean back, keeping the body in a straight line. Okay, just taking a moment, and now let's go. Leaning back and up, leaning back and up. Squeezing the glutes, squeezing the inner thighs together. Your quads should be on fire. But stay with me. We are halfway through today's workout. Just a few more. And rest. Okay, now we're gonna switch the focus. So focusing on the back of the legs. So we are leaning forward, lowering the hips towards the heels. Holding for a second at the bottom and squeezing glutes at the top. Breathe and stay with me. Few more reps. Keep pushing, keep going. Hold at the bottom, squeeze your booty at the top. Hold at the bottom, squeeze your booty at the top. And that was it. Okay, now we're gonna lay down on our backs. extend your legs. The next one are a little bit core focused as well, and we're going to be doing heel taps. Tap, tap, tap. Keep your legs straight, lower back pressed against the mat, toes pointing to the side and tapping heels. Next one is a little bit tricky. Open your legs and now bend with flexed feet, open with pointed toes. Bended, flexed, pointed, open. Keep going. So, bend, flexed, point, open. 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 Keep going. Okay, legs together. And now elevated mini plies. So keep your heels together and do a mini plie. Toes open to the side. Keep going. We are almost there. Okay, nicely done. Now drawing big circles with first the right leg. I'm gonna be doing 10 reps each way for each leg. That means 20 circles for each leg. Now reversing. No, I'm sorry, now reversing. Ten circles each way for each leg. And the other leg. Reverse the other way. Okay, and now we're doing leg raises with knee bend, alternating the legs. So we're lowering one leg, bending the other one at the same time, keeping the lower back pressed against the mat, alternating the legs. Almost there. And rest. And one final beating heels together again, but this time lower your legs a little bit. And that was it. It was a quick one. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this one.